Hello, everybody. I hope everyone's having a good week so far. I am feeling a little anxious, so don't mind me. I'm going to read and hopefully not forget my words again because this is probably my fifth time trying to do this. So, today I want to talk with you guys about something that's probably familiar to a lot of us: theories, and how it's used differently in everyday life versus in science. I'll also touch on plate tectonics and why I think that there's enough evidence to support it as a solid scientific theory. In our everyday conversations, when we say theory, we usually mean a guess or something we think is going to happen. For example, I could say I have a theory that my dogs, my Malamutes, will start howling as soon as we hit the bottom of the mountain, because I've learned that every time we drive up there, they go crazy because they know we're there. Once they see the signs, they smell the air, and they see the trees. But it's a prediction based on what I've seen before, not something that I've tested or proven in a formal way. In science, though, a theory means something different. A scientific theory is not a guess, and it's an explanation that's been tested, researched, and supported by a lot of evidence. So when scientists talk about the theory of plate tectonics, they're talking about an explanation for the movement of Earth's plates that's been backed by decades of studies, observations, and data. One thing I can say is I learned a lot about our Earth tonight. I thought I knew some about science, but tonight I'm like, geez, there's so much. You don't even. Sorry. Anyways, when it comes to plate tectonics, I absolutely think there's enough evidence to support it as a solid theory. It's kind of like me knowing that my dogs are going to be crazy and howl and go insane as soon as we hit the bottom of the mountain to go for a run. Over time, scientists have collected tons of evidence that shows how Earth's plates move. For instance, the continents all fit together perfectly like a puzzle. And that was one of the really interesting things I've heard. Not that I didn't know that the continents fit together, but I don't know. It's just when you think of it from certain perspectives, I guess. So, even though there are still some debates, plate tectonics explains a lot about Earth's movement and geological activity. A lot of those words I used for the first time today, so no judgment. Before I really understood how theory works in science, I used to think of it as more of a guess. The behavior that I can predict, because I've seen it so many times, like my dog's howling, is in science how theories are built on evidence, and the theory of plate tectonics is no different. So learning this actually made me trust it a little bit more and look into it more. I definitely am looking forward to doing more research on it and learning it more. So basically, in our everyday life, when we talk about theory, it's normally a guess or a prediction. And in science, it's a well-supported explanation that's been tested with real evidence. Not that I don't have real evidence that my dogs bark and howl like crazy, but not scientific evidence. So, yeah, I'm excited to continue learning in this class, and hopefully I can get better at this recording thing, because it's not for the weak. Thank you.